Hello students. Now let's start with the ninth paragraph. This is a very important part of our system. That was the line of or the wordings of Miss Beam. To make our children appreciate and understand misfortune, we make them share in misfortune too. Each term, every child has one blind day, one lame day, one deaf day, one injured day, and one dumb day. Okay, means they decided the days, and each and every child will feel the same. During the blind day, their eyes are bandaged absolutely, and they are on their honor not to peep, right? They are loyal towards them. The bandage is put on overnight, so they wake blind. This means that they need help with everything. Other children are even Other children are given the duty of helping them and leading them about. They all learn so much this way, both the blind and the helpers, right? Thereafter, in this paragraph, I am explaining it. Thereafter, she explained. Who explained? Miss Beam explained that to make their children appreciate, accept, and understand misfortune with the same mind as fortune, they have made such activities an essential part of their system. Okay, these are the essential parts. Each term, every child is supposed to observe one blind day, one lame day, one deaf day, one injured day, and one dumb day. Right? On that dumb day, they'll not be able to speak up. On blind day, their eyes are bandaged or blindfolded, and they promise that they not to peep. They are not going to peep. They will promise that they are not going to peep at all, and this is done overnight so that they wake up in a blind like condition. Okay, and get help for everything they do. Other children have the duty to help and guide them. This way, both the blind and the helpers learn a lot of things. Right? In next 10th paragraph, there is no misery about it. Miss Beam continued. Miss Beam said that there is no misery. Everyone is very kind, and it is really something of a game before the day is over. Though even the most thoughtless child realize what misfortune is. Even the day gone, even after completing a full day as deaf, as blind, as dumb, the most thoughtless child can realize what is misfortune, right? See, there is no misery day about it, right? In that paragraph, Miss Beam is continued by saying, Miss Beam further said that with this type of a game, even a very careless child learns to be responsible and at the end of the day, right? After completing the activity, they will also start thinking about. In next paragraph 11th, the blind day is of course really the worst. The blind day is the worst, but some of the children tell me that the dumb day is the most difficult. We cannot bandage the children's mouth, so that it is really very difficult for them. They have that patience. You should have patience. So they really have to exercise their willpower, right? Come into the garden and see for yourself how the children feel about it. Okay. Here, Miss Beam said, no doubt that blind day was the worst, but according to some children, the dumb day was the most difficult as mouths couldn't or could not be bandaged. The children had to use their willpower in that case. Then she took him to the garden to let him to watch the children and their feeling himself. Okay, now in the next paragraph, paragraph 12, Miss Beam led me to one of the bandaged girls. Here's a gentleman come to talk to you, said Miss Beam, and left us. So what happened then? Then Miss Beam led that guy, that narrator, to one of the blind girls. Okay. See, Miss Beam took the narrator to the bandaged girl, and after introducing to them, she left them. Okay, she left them alone. And what happened next, that I will tell you in our next video. Thank you.